Hi, it's Dorothy guiding with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my design team box for the Mercy Tiara Kit's February 2025 release called Fabulous. And indeed, it is fabulous, full of products from American Crafts, Simple Stories, and Mercy Tiara Kit exclusives. And the exclusives, by the way, seem to be getting better each month. That's what I see anyway. The overall theme for this kit is pretty general, great for day-to-day documenting with a very slight hint of love for Valentine's Day. My design team box includes the main kit, pattern paper, and cardstock add-ons, the embellishment add-on, and the exclusive pocket card add-on. Below, there are a bunch of links, including to the Mercy Tiara Kit shop where you can purchase these kits. So let's have a look at what's on my table. What you see in front of me is the main kit and the pattern paper add-on. So I'm going to toss the embellishments to the side for a moment, and we're going to start by having a look at the pattern paper. I am showing you the pattern paper from the main kit, which is 12 different double-sided papers, along with the very same papers that are in the pattern paper add-on. That way I get to show you both sides. So this kit is full of material from Bea Valent's sketchbook collection. So the first two papers you saw there, that blue floral there, and the flip side of it is that pink ledger paper, both from Bea Valent's sketchbook collection. Now we're changing collections. This is Simple Stories Heartstrings collection. So the next two papers, this one I'm showing you now, both sides, that white one with sketchy black hearts, and the flip side is this pretty pink with a multicolored dot. And the next one here as well, the same collection, Simple Stories Heartstrings. It's like this diagonal check. It's like a lipstick pink. And the flip side of it is this really fun banner print, and the background is almost like a pale yellow. So both of those papers are from the Simple Stories Heartstrings collection, which is a Valentine's collection. Now we're back to Bea Valent's sketchbook collection. So this one is like watercolored painted lines from blue to peach to pink, and the flip side of it is like a pink tone on tone. There is a little print on it. It's almost like, it's not really flowers, it's not really dots, it's somewhere in between, but it basically reads as a solid. Still the Bea Valent collection sketchbook. This one here is a white background with little pink floral clusters and green leaves, and the flip side of it is this fun cut apart sheet. So it's really different sizes. We have all kinds of rectangles, squares, and different sizes, so it's very varied. Here's another paper, same collection from Bea Valent. So the first one I showed you there is basically an ombre from yellow to pink. So a really nice solid basically. And the flip side of that one are a bunch of peaches. So there's peaches, it's on kind of a pale pink background with little green leaves. Now we're switching collections. This is Simple Stories for the record collection. So this one's a really fun floral print. So that print is on top of kind of a creamy off-white color. It's a warm white. I think that's what Simple Stories calls it. And the flip side is this really beautiful bright orange paper. It's like it almost has the texture. It's flat texture, but it looks textured like a graph kind of print, very, very tight. Here's another one, back to Bea Valent sketchbook collection. This one is like a floral. The background is either a mint green or a pale aqua, somewhere in between there, and the flowers are white with little green leaves. The flip side of that one is this fun striped print, and with each one of the stripes there are stripes. So the colors are white, pink, and kind of a soft gold. Here's another one, again Bea Valent. This is a tone on tone. Again, I would call it, I think, more of a soft aqua maybe, and the flip side of it is this bow paper. So it has like a pale pink background, and the bows are blue, gold, and pink colors like that. Very, very fun. And the next paper here is again from Bea Valent. So there's all these fun little decorative trees there in pots. And the flip side of this one is a really fun polka dot. So again, it's either that mint green or pale aqua or somewhere in between with these sketchy big polka dots on it. The next paper, still from Embellishment, and it is a paper with all kinds of fun butterflies on it. Lots of colors here, pink, yellow, blue, there's purples in there as well. And the flip side, I'm gonna call it like a blueberry blue. So it's that with a white sketchy little flowers and leaves on top. But again, that one definitely reads as a solid. Here's another one. This is the last paper, still Embellishment. So this one almost looks like a Fred Flintstone dot in an ombre. It goes from a few different colors there. And the flip side of it has that blueberry blue background with a bunch of sketchbooks on it. So that's it for the pattern paper. What you see in front of you is from the main kit and the pattern paper add-on. Now what I want to do is show you the embellishments that came with the main kit. So the first thing I want to show you is, well, actually first what I want to do is count all of these embellishments. So you can see there's these giant doilies there that I'm really quite excited about. There are 2 of those in my kit, and I have another one here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 embellishments, and I'm considering the doilies 1 embellishment. So what we're going to do right now is have a look at each one of them. So again, I'm quite thrilled about these doilies. I am guessing they are about 10 inches. These are absolutely huge. I'm quite thrilled with them. This is different. I don't think we've had this in a Mercy Tiara kit yet. Here are the alphas. These are from Thickers from American Crafts. They do belong to the Embellishment sketchbook collection. Really fun, multicolored, kind of soft with pops of metallic gold in there as well. There are alphas, all capitals and numbers. From the same sketchbook collection from Thickers, we have the puffy titles. So I'm showing you some of them are script, some of them are block letters. There's embellishments in there as well. There's little hearts, there's little Polaroid frames. So it's a really fun and varied collection. For the ephemera pack, this is from Simple Stories for the record collection. These are journal bits and pieces. I'm just going to get out a little plate and I'm just going to quickly go through them with you. My point when I open these up is to simply show you, first of all, how they coordinate with the kit, but also the sizes of the embellishments as well. And this one I would say ranges from basically from small to medium pieces. A lot of them, of course, are labels and little, almost like file cards, stuff like that, that are great for adding wordy bits, small wordy bits, and even longer ones as well. Some of them have the days of the week. That's kind of fun too. So yeah, I'm really liking this, and it coordinates nicely with the collection. And in addition to this, you're going to see a few other things as well that I have to open up. Next, I'm going to show you the acrylic pieces. These are exclusive to Mercy Tiara kits. So what we have in the main kit for acrylic are these little hearts, really cute in different sizes, 3 in blue and 3 in that coral color. Now I have the Mercy Tiara kit exclusive sequin mix. So I'm just going to dump a bit of them on the plate here. These are really fun, and I'm not sure if you can see them, but there are these absolute minuscule little hearts in there as well. Super fun. So I packed all that up, put it in my kit caddy, which you will see at the end of this video. And now what I want to look at with you is the embellishment add-on. I just showed you the baggie that it came in, and I'm also showing you that I have some of the pattern papers there. I just wanted a range of colors to give you an idea of how the embellishments coordinated with the kit. So I'm just counting here. We have 5 packages in the embellishment add-on, and now we're going to go through them one by one. The first one is kind of interesting. It's this alpha pack. It's a mauve color. It's really pretty. It's called Dreamer from American Crafts. I have no idea what collection that comes from, but they are very pretty. In that butterfly paper, you see that very same mauve color in there. We also have puffy stickers. Those are from the Embellishment collection, so I'm showing you them there. There's all kinds of images like flowers, bunnies, and different stuff like that. Very pretty. Now we have decorative brads and chipboard. This is from the Simple Stories for the Record collection, which is kind of fun because we don't have any other chipboard in this collection. So that's just going to add a little bit of texture to embellishment clusters that is different from all the other embellishments that are found in these collections. Now we have another ephemera pack. This is from the Simple Stories for the Record collection. This one is floral bits and pieces. So once again, I'm going to get out my little plate and we are going to quickly flip through this. Same thing, my purpose here is just to give you an idea of the colors, how they match with the papers, also the sizes of the embellishments. And you're going to see in this one as well, there are really tiny pieces to quite large embellishment floral clusters here. So that's what I'm going to show you. I'm just showing you there are a few left in the package there. I'll worry about that later. Those ones are really little tiny pieces. And now I'm flipping through. So you can see some of them are really floral clusters and some of them are more individual. There's a few things in here that aren't really floral that you're going to see. There's some labels along with some kind of binder clips, stuff like that, but most of them are flowers, and for a few of them it's just foliage as well, but they're very, very pretty. I absolutely love floral ephemera packs. I find they make really quick and easy embellishment clusters. So yeah, so that's what I'm showing you right now. And once I go through all of this, then the next embellishment pack I'm going to show you, I believe, is the exclusive acrylic title for this collection, and it's You and Me. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's the same colors as those acrylic hearts that I showed you in the main kit. Really, really cute. So that is the acrylic title. Now I'm going to clean all of this up and show you the cardstock add-on. So the cardstock add-on comes with 8 pieces of cardstock in 4 different colors, so 2 of each. The first one I'm showing you here is white basil cardstock. This is a smooth cardstock. The next one here, this is a black cardstock, so really nice neutral colors. I'm really into neutral. This is black basil, it's called Raven, and this one is textured. This purplish one is a really nice color. We've had it in another kit before. The color is Heidi. Again, another basil cardstock, textured. And the last one is Lagoon. So a really nice medium green. Again, basil and textured. So what I'm going to do with all of this cardstock is pack all this up in my kit caddy, and now we're going to come back and have a look at the pocket card exclusive add-on. This is absolutely fabulous. So in this, there are 3x4 cards and 4x6 cards. This is the 4th kit where we've had an exclusive pocket card collection to coordinate with the kits, and Tracy designs these to go with the kits. So they are a Mercy Tiara kit exclusive. I'm just giving you an idea. There are 4x6 cards and 3x4 cards. The 3x4 cards come on a 4x6 card, so you have to cut them in half yourself. These really look nice with the kit. I find they are getting better and better. Mind you, I've loved them all. I pointed out the You and Me. It's exactly like the acrylic that is in the embellishment add-on. You'll notice as well for some of the cards, I'm pointing it out right now, the same motif shows up on a few different cards, which makes it really fun if you are a pocket scrapbooker. For me, I am not a pocket scrapbooker, but so far I've had so much fun with these cards because number one, they're great for journaling. They're also great for embellishing. They're great for layering. I absolutely love them. They're also really fun for creating grids. You can see that the colors look so nice with this collection with the papers that are in front of me. I particularly like the addition of that light wood grain. You can see it in 3 spots on my table right now. There are no wood grain papers in the papers in this collection, but I find wood grain goes with everything, and that looks fabulous with this kit. There's also some hearts here and there. This is a kit for the month of February, so it is Valentine's Valentine's month. And also in these pocket card kits are these graph paper cards. So there are 6 of them in 3 different graph sizes, large, medium, and small. I really like these. It's great if you have a lot of journaling. It's also fun to create your own pocket cards with as well. I really have used a lot of those so far. So here is my kit caddy with everything, and I just want to go through it with you. I'm showing you that in that 14 by 9 basket that I got at the dollar store, I have 2 clear divided refrigerator bins that fit right inside of it. In the back there, basically I keep a piece of 12 by 12 cardboard. It's nice and stiff, and that keeps my paper straight because there's a little space at the back of this basket behind those refrigerator bins, so I can fit my paper there standing up. I'm showing you the cardstock and the printed paper, and it doesn't bend because of that cardboard in back. I also have the 6 by 12 embellishment packs, and in those refrigerator bins in the front, I keep smaller stuff. So I'm showing you I have these little containers. This is actually an empty Stampin' Up! Stamp container. In that one there, I have my pocket cards, so they're nice and safe. In these 2 iris containers here, I have my 2 ephemera packs. I just find it easier to flip through them throughout the month. I did keep the packaging, however, because they're great for reference, also for my leftovers at the end of the month. In the front there, I keep the smaller embellishment packs, and on this other side, I have these little clear stackable bins. Again, I got them at the dollar store. I find them great for dumping in my sequins when I want to use them. It's just easy to pour them back in the packaging. Also in there, I have those small acrylic embellishment packs as well, but basically that is it. Actually, it's not quite it. This month we had these doilies and I had to find a solution for that. So I ended up using the baggie that the main kit comes in. And inside I put another piece of 12 by 12 cardboard. That made it nice and stiff. I put in those doilies. Now they're safe in the back of my basket. So basically that is it. I am all organized and ready to play. I'm going to be doing a few process videos with this, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Scrapbooking Quebec, I would be honored and thrilled if you did. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Check out the Mercy Tiara Kit Club. Links are below. The kits are fabulous, just like the name of this kit. Take care, and I will see you soon on YouTube. Bye-bye.